Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you the improved booking flow for classes and events using the client web app. I'm currently logged in as a client and I'm on the Book Now tab. We're going to start off with the booking flow for classes, so I've also selected the Classes tab here. I can go ahead and scroll down the page to find the session that I want to sign up for, which in my case is going to be this advanced Hatha yoga class, and I can select Book Now. If I wasn't already signed into the client web app, I would be prompted here to sign in or sign up. On the class booking page, I can select the frequency of this booking, so it could be a one-time booking, or I can select a custom frequency to be able to select how many recurring sessions I'd like to book. And I can also fill out any required forms for this class. In this case, it is an advanced yoga intake form. I'll go ahead and fill that out, and then we'll move on. If I didn't have an applicable purchase option that could be used to pay for this session, I would be able to select one here to purchase and then be taken to the checkout using the green button at the bottom. However, I do have a purchase option that can be used for this specific class, so it has already been auto-selected for me by the system, and all I have to do here is go ahead and click on Complete Booking. Finally, we will see this booking confirmation page that will give us information just to confirm the date and time of the session, as well as the instructor and the location. From here, we can book another service, or we can go ahead and share this booking on social media if we'd like. That covers the updated booking flow for classes. As you can see, it has less pages than it did before, making it really easy for clients to be able to book into their sessions and see everything in one area. Next up, I'm going to go back to my Book Now tab. And we're going to take a look at the improved booking flow now for events. In my business, events are stored on the Enrollments tab, so I've navigated there. And we have a few different events coming up. For today, I'm going to select this one down here at the bottom that starts this Monday by selecting Enroll Now. Just like with the class booking flow, if I was not signed in at this time, I would be prompted here to sign in or sign up. Next, if the event allows me to select the sessions that I want to attend, like this one does, I'll be taken here to the Choose Your Dates page. This is where I'll see a list of the available sessions for the event, and I can go ahead and select or deselect the specific sessions that I want to attend. I want to attend all of these for this event, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that all of them are selected. And finally, I can click on Complete Booking. Now, if I'm booking into an event where I cannot select my dates, or I'm booking into an event where I can select my dates and I have already done that, the page that you'll see now is the event booking page. If I don't have an applicable purchase option already, like I did for my class booking, I can go ahead here and decide how I want to pay for this event. I can choose to pay in full, leave a deposit if that's configured in the back end, or choose an installment plan, again, if that is configured in the back end, or I can select a specific purchase option that would cover this event. For today, I'm just going to choose to pay for the event in full and scroll down to the bottom. Again, I am able to fill in any required forms for this event. I'll go ahead and fill in the form now. So I filled in that required form for this event, and again, because I don't have a purchase option already, I am now able to continue to checkout to complete my purchase for this event. Let's go ahead and do that. And then we've got our standard checkout page on step 3, which is where I can select a credit card that's saved on file, add a new credit card, choose a gift card, and enter a discount code if I have one. I'm going to use my saved credit card on file and go ahead and click on checkout. And now on our booking confirmation page, we can see a breakdown here of all of the sessions that I signed up for within this event. And again, book another service button. I can email or print the receipt for myself, and I can also, again, choose to share this on social media. That covers our updated booking flow for classes and events using the client web app. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.